up, YouTube? Today is vlog number 7, and you know what that means? We've had 7 great adventures in Bangkok, Thailand so far. Many more and many more to come. I really hope you guys enjoy this style of content and my vlogs, because I'm going to be pumping them out as fast as I can. As fast as I can film and edit them, they'll come at you. Today's journey, we're going to Fortune Town, right at the Rama 9 district, so I will see you guys there. We're going up the MRT right now, the escalator. So there's an underground mall on like all of these stations, which is insane to me. I haven't been in one, but I just keep seeing them like as I walk by. But Fortune Town is right up to the right now, so we'll be in there in literally like a minute. Like usual, we'll start at the top and work our way down, but that has not been the usual here, honestly. But we're gonna do that for this one. Or I don't know, I see a cool shop in front of me I might have to go to. So this is like the full tech oriented, so if you need any camera gear or anything, you gotta come to Fortune Town for all of it. I mean, there's just so much stuff. The lighting. If I was here long term, I'd definitely come here and get like a setup for like long term filming. I wonder if they have better deals here. They might have better deals than like the other places, but I don't think so. I think this is maybe just as crazy. But all these shops have like insane cameras, tech setups, mics, GoPro, DJI, gaming PCs. But what interests me most is probably the lighting setups, because you can make your shot really look insane with the right lighting. So if I was definitely here on like a long-term stay and I want to set up like a podcast or a desk shooting, I'd come here for sure, just because it's so like high tech and there's just so much stuff for cameras and everything. Boy, those people were moving like turtles. Had to gap them, give them a little gap, stretch it out. I've been thinking of getting a PS5, but I don't know if I would really use it over here. I've been not really gaming since I left the US, but this place has got some cool bear bricks. I wonder what the price on those are. I'll try to show you guys in the window. So it's got like some bear bricks, and then it's got some of like their own type, like alien shooters. That's pretty cool. Honestly, this would be a super cool spot to do like a live stream. I know I keep saying I like to live stream in somewhere like this, but I haven't done it yet. But this would definitely be a cool thing. Maybe when I get some more viewers, because right now it'd be a waste to live stream with like 2 viewers in one of these places. So I'd rather film it than live stream it. Now I saw a crazy lens that I'm really debating on getting right now, because I've really wanted it for a long time and it's always been out of stock whenever I've wanted it. And it's perfect for like street photography or anything like that. So I'm gonna go get a price on it. But I just wanted to go down a little further and see. But I mean, there's just so much. And all these places have like any tech stuff you would need. There's ND filters for everything. There's cameras. Any camera you could ever imagine is here. Any lens you can ever imagine is here. We have the monks behind us. I heard it's very rude to touch their heads, but I don't know who in the world would even try that. That's pretty weird to me. Just go up and touch someone's head, but we're gonna look and see if we can get a price on that lens. So this is it right here. The RF 24 to 70, super good. It has a crazy range. And then there's also a Sigma. Well, I don't know, I'll have to see what the price is looking like on that. And then there's a ton of ND filters. A ton of them for like everything. And then I'll have to stop by here after I pick up the Osmo. But I don't know if they have any of like the big kits. Like I see they have one right there, but that's for the Mini 4 Pro. I'm not sure even what that is. But this is just one of many shops. Like if I come out here, I mean, you can see there's so many shops, and then light setups. And there's probably at least like 30 shops I've seen with this so far. We'll literally go across the aisle and see what this one has. because it's the same type of thing. And I passed probably 10, 15, maybe even 20 of them. Well, I was just looking at a reflection. Super cool guitar store behind me. Yeah, that guitar store is super cool. They're playing some music in there. Honestly, wouldn't mind picking up a guitar and learning that, or like a bass. I've always wanted to, but I've never like really done it. Never took it serious. But I just can't believe how much stuff there is in here. How many like tripods and lights. I mean, there's so many setups. Like, honestly, I couldn't even imagine. I heard like there was so much tech here, but actually seeing it all, it's literally like a whole 4-story strip that is super far, that has like everything, tech or music, skateboard, shoes, everything you can think of. They have PCs, headphones, keyboards, mouse. Literally a whole store right behind me on this side, right there, that has like everything you'd need to build a full setup here. And I saw someone doing like a rebuild. Like, look at this water cooled setup here. Super nice. And then honestly, that's not super overpriced. I took a peek at it and I think it was like 32,000 baht. And I'll put the price of what that is in USD. But that's really not that bad for the specs on it. Cause I just saw a quick glimpse because I walked by earlier. But I mean, there's some crazy stuff here. I just can't believe how much stuff they have in just this little area of Bangkok that I'm in. This is the Rama 9 district, and there's literally, you could spend, like, I would honestly say like a year to 3 years of going out every day and then just exploring everything, and you still wouldn't complete it all. That's how much there is. And I love home audio, like hi-fi systems, and this place has got super nice systems. But recently I've become a fan of that, like really good audio quality. I don't know what it is. I wonder if they have the, like, look at those orange ones behind me. You probably can't see it because how dark it is. But I wonder if they have focal bathies. Those are like really clean, crisp headphones. And I've been wanting them for a while, but I haven't pulled the trigger on them. There's a lot of things that I have like in the cart just waiting to be purchased. Pretty much, or on like the wish list, I guess. But there's just so much stuff in here. And I'm in like the audio area, and then there's records and everything behind me. I really love this type of stuff. And we have like some crystals and little things and that. But this just goes on and on and on. I've been walking this strip probably for 10 minutes on this one alone, and it just keeps going. Imagine having a room with these. Those are super big. I can't really get a good shot to the reflection, but that's super cool. That looks like elephant ear, one of those type of speakers. So honestly, I'm not really a big tech guy, but after seeing this, I mean, I might be wrong. There's the lighting is crazy in here. You have the soft lights, the LEDs, the colorful LEDs. You have everything you can imagine. SSDs. I actually need to pick up a SSD. So as a good reminder that I'm over by this section, because I really need a new one. But I might wait till I get the Osmo, because I'll probably get one for the Osmo. And then I'll probably get one for my camera too. But the lighting in here is perfect to film. So still in Fortune Town, there's just so much lighting, and I'm gonna look at those Osmo filters, but look at that, and then you have multiple lighting setups, and there's just so much. A gimbal would be nice, but if I get the Osmo, I don't really need a gimbal because it has a built-in one. So that'd be super cool to do in just half, because it's much easier than this. And we're at a sushi place and it looks super good. I think I'm gonna get some. But honestly, I don't know what type to go for, but I think I'm just gonna send it. So I got 10 and then I got one free one, so it's super good. And I basically let them give me their best ones and I picked a couple. So we'll see how good it is, but it looks super good. And honestly, I don't even know what the price is. So I think we're gonna try out this place. And I think I'm gonna go for that big one in the middle. It looks super good. So we'll try it out and I'll give it a review. But I got the sushi and then we have about a 10-minute, 15-minute walk back. So not bad. And I'll give you guys a review whenever we land. So it comes as a smoothie, which is super cool, but honestly the fruit cup would have been cooler like looking, but I'd rather have a smoothie just so I can drink it all instead of just sitting there one by one. But looks pretty cool, and hopefully it's as good as it looks, because that is super cool. And I'll let this guy get his picture in. And he's in the film. Yeah. And it's a full setup, and I don't know if he wanted to be in it or just a picture. Thank you. So that was pretty funny interaction. I didn't know if he wanted just a picture of the setup or what. But this smoothie looks super good, and it'll be great for this walk back in the heat. Kind of like she was rapping for a second. So the smoothie is really good. It kind of has like a pear flavor, but it had a ton of stuff in it. But I really taste like a pear, but it might not be a pear, so I don't know. Tastes super good, and we got about a 15-minute walk back. I hope you guys enjoyed today's vlog, and that's my journey for today. But I'm pretty much able to film a vlog every day because there's so much going on here, and I just hope you guys enjoy, and I'll be pumping out as much as I can film, honestly. Film and edit and upload, that's how it's gonna work. So I hope you guys enjoy, and I'll see you on the next one.